one of the bigger criticisms of some people doon sa rally sa EDSA, sa People Power Monument is stopping short of calling for resignations, specifically of the president, and some would even say the vice president. And also the criticism by some, particularly the Duterte camp, na parang interesado kayong ma-impeach yung isa pero hindi kayo interesadong matanggal naman yung isa. So how do you address that concern?
Alam mo yung resignation, it's up to the to the president or to the vice president. Kung hindi sila mag-resign, wala namang kaming magagawa. Kaya nga ayaw din naman natin ng extra constitutional na manner of removing officials kasi magiging banana republic naman tayo, junta or military takeover. Meron namang constitutional process, and that's impeachment. Anybody can file impeachments against the president or the vice president. So February 6 magtatapos na yung prohibition.
The prohibition.
So February 6, I'm sure. Ako sure na ako yung makabayan lang file another impeachment case against the vice president. Pero dapat pag-isipan din ng presidente, baka meron din mag-file sa kanya.
Yes, sir. Actually, that's what I was trying to ask you. Yes, sir. Sir, given that, sir, what do you think are the chances of that happening? Of course, the Makabayan Bloc already said that expect an impeachment complaint to be filed against a VP again in February. What about the president? Do you think that that's going to happen as well?
Well, kasi unfair di ba? We're accusing the vice president of investing
yes, sir.
120 plus million confidential funds at DepEd, 500 million. Pero Saldico has accused the president of involvement in billions also of in blood control. So there are dalawang accusations yan. So unfair naman kung yung isang accusation ay hindi na iimbestigahan, di ba? Parang yun yung nakikita ko. And the only way that we can find out the truth is through an impeachment process.